Hi AC.
Hello, I am here.
Turn on the air conditioning.
No problem.
The lowest temperature,
No problem.
18 degrees.
Okay.
28 degrees.
Okay.
The highest temperature.
No problem.
Increase the temperature.
No problem.
Reduce the temperature.
No problem.
The lowest fan speed.
Okay.
The eighth fan speed.
Okay.
Higher fan speed.
No problem.
Turn on the AC.
Okay.
Turn on auto.
Okay.
It's too cold.
No problem.
It's too hot.
No problem.
Turn off auto.
Okay. Call me anytime.